So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now, you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in net space user space administrator space / active yes. And then click on enter. And now for the next step, you want to right click on the Windows Start icon. Now you want to click on shutdown or sign out. And then click on sign out. And now we're just going to click one time. And we're now going to be having the administrator account. We're now going to sign into this. So you're going to click on administrator and then click on sign in. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, you're going to head it with search and type in computer management. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to expand local users and groups. Now you're going to click on users. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the account that you're having a problem with. You're going to double click on it. And you can now enable the account. Or you can disable it if you want to, but most likely you're going to want to enable it. So you can just untick this box and then click on OK. And now you can just sign back into your other account and then the problem should be fixed.